For a part I, factorize a cubed minus b cubed. This is your difference in cubes, which is actually one of the formulas that you need to memorize. So we have a cubed minus b cubed. This is equals to a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay. Then for a part 2, hence state a factor other than itself, n1 of 347 cubed minus 286 cubed. A factor of this expression simply means we need to find out what number times what give me this expression. And this is a hence question, which means we must make use of our answer in the earlier part. We have 347 cubed minus 286 cubed. And comparing to part I, we can see that A here is 347 and B is 286. So we can rewrite this as 347 minus 286 multiplied by 347 squared plus 347 times 286 plus 286 squared. Okay, and if you evaluate this, you will get 61 times 301447. Okay, and you can take either 61 or 301447 as your answer. So we have one factor is 61. It is given that x and n are positive integers. Use part AI to prove that x plus n cubed over 2 minus x minus n cubed over 2 is divisible by n. For an expression to be divisible by n, we must be able to factorize n out, which means we should rewrite this expression here as n multiplied by something. Currently, we have x plus n cubed over 2 minus x minus n cubed over 2. Over here, we have a common denominator of 2, which means you can combine them into one fraction, where your numerator is now x plus n cubed minus x minus n cubed. And does this look familiar to you? This is exactly your difference in cubes, where now your a here is x plus n and your b is x minus n. So I am going to rewrite the numerator as x plus n minus x minus n, okay, multiplied by x plus n squared plus x plus n times x minus n plus x minus n squared, okay, over 2. Now let's simplify our numerator. Okay, we have x plus n. Negative 1 times x will give me negative x. Negative 1 times negative n will give me positive n. Okay, this term here, when I expand it out, you will get x squared plus 2xn plus n squared. The second term over here, it is actually in the form of a plus b times a minus b, which will be a squared minus b squared, where your a here is x and your b here is n. So I will rewrite this as x squared minus n squared. Okay, lastly, this term here, we will have x squared minus 2xn plus n squared, okay, over the denominator of 2. So here, your positive x will cancel away with the negative x, so we are left with 2n. Okay, then we have 1, 2, 3x squared, so 3x squared. Here, your positive 2xn will cancel away with the negative 2xn. And this positive n squared will cancel out with the negative n squared here. So we are left with one more n squared. So here we have plus n squared over 2. Okay, now the 2 in your numerator and the denominator can cancel each other away. So we are left with n times 3x squared plus n squared. Okay, since n is a factor of n 3x squared plus n squared, okay, this expression here is divisible by n.